what broker do we recommend? Shake, if you want, I'll say this one really quickly.
You got it.
All right, so we typically recommend there's 3 different brokers. One is going to be, if you're just regular trading, TD Ameritrade is probably the easiest. They have a very good platform. We made this video a while back when we used to still recommend kind of Robinhood, but with the recent stuff with them, it's probably easier to kind of trade somewhere else. So again, TD is probably the main one. If you're looking to hold long term, M1 has been a great vehicle to use. You can build out an automated model. You can set up retirement accounts there, very easy. And then for the international traders, Interactive Broker is probably the best bet, and or for someone who's trading more actively like Shake, he uses Interactive Broker. So if you're more active, probably that might be a good spot. But those are typically the main 3. TD, if you're just regular trading, regular retirement accounts, college accounts for your children. M1 for more automated kind of set and forget. And then Interactive Broker if you're trading internationally outside the United States or more of an active trader. Those are the main 3 that we would recommend to use.